I wanted to share an update video with you of the new Starlink facility in Bastrop County, Texas. And this facility will increase production capacity of hardware kits. I've been following the development of this facility since last winter, and boy, have they made a lot of progress. This state-of-the-art Starlink facility is adjacent to the Boring Company site in Bastrop, Texas, and the SpaceX building is 521,000 square feet. And you might notice this really bright neon sign in the entrance lobby. Some of you probably know what this is, but if you don't, this is a depiction of the Hohmann transfer orbit with Earth to Mars. A spacecraft can follow a variety of curved paths from Earth to Mars, but one path called the Hohmann transfer orbit uses the least energy and is considered the most efficient. The Hohmann transfer is an elliptical orbit with the sun at one focus of the ellipse that intersects the orbit of the target planet. And to make sure the spacecraft and Mars arrive at the same place at the same time, the spacecraft must launch within a particular window of time. This window is called the launch window, and depending on the target, can be a few minutes or as much as a few weeks in length. If the spacecraft is launched too early or too late, it will arrive in the planet's orbit when the planet is not there. Keep in mind, there are nearly 100 job postings right now on SpaceX's website just for Bastrop, Texas. So they are hopefully going to start production soon of the Starlink receivers, and that will in turn help Starlink become more profitable. Also new, I am noticing signs for an employee entrance with a paved parking lot, even a security guard shack, and also contractor entrance and deliveries on the other side of the building. Not too far down the road, about 7 miles, is a Buc-ee's where I decided to charge my Tesla, and I wanted to show you guys what that experience is like.
Backaroo. Yeehaw! We are at Buc-ee's. Isn't that something now, folks? I'm gonna take you on a tour of Buc-ee's. But first, open butthole. Oh yeah, good girl. Okay, so I really love this supercharger here at Buc-ee's, and you know what? I'm gonna take you guys inside. Okay, so Ellie in space, Tesla is charging, and let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a 12 stall Tesla charger. But if you guys haven't been to Buc-ee's, well, now you can kind of say you have, because I'm about to take you virtually. Yes, we here in Texas are very proud of our beavers. And this is a Texas thing to do here, is to go to Buc-ee's. Looks like right now we're gonna have to use the front entrance, but actually a lot of the Tesla superchargers are actually here at the Buc-ee's. So Buc-ee's is an experience. You know, you might think of it as a charging station. You might think of it as, I don't know, a gas station, which, by the way, if you drive an ICE vehicle, you are in luck, because there is plenty of room for you to get some gasoline here. And hey, check this out. Start with a demo drive today. So Tesla is advertising that you can scan this QR code, and if you want to feel the experience of a Tesla, get a demo drive. One of the cool things is that if you take a demo drive with my referral link, you get me points just for driving the car. So I'm going to leave that in the description, because if you've never driven a Tesla, you can literally do it for free, and it'll help me out a little bit. So I would appreciate that. Anyway, continuing on with the tour. So right now I'm actually in Bastrop County. I just did a little bit of stalking, as you saw, at the Starlink facility there, and there has been progress. But I mean, check it out. Like, there are so many stalls here. I'm not exactly sure how many I can ask, but a lot of stalls for charging, or I'm sorry, for pumping gas. Oh, how quickly we forget. So again, we have another sign, go 0 to 60 faster than you can read this sign. So I'm guessing that means that if you want to do the demo drive, they're going to let you gun it. They're going to let you floor it. But start your self-serve demo drive now. Experience everything from highway driving to on-site supercharging, all from the driver's seat. That's interesting that they say self-serve demo drive. It looks like that the demo drive vehicles are located at the main driveway off Highway 21. So I might have to scan this and see what's going on, because like, in what world can you self-serve your own demo drive? That's kind of nuts, actually. I didn't realize that. Oh, same thing. So here we are, and we are going to go inside of Buc-ee's. You don't just come here to get gas. You don't just come here to go to the bathroom. However, the bathrooms are very nice. And we are gearing up for Halloween. Okay, so I'm not actually going to get in the bathrooms, but there's some of the cleanest bathrooms. Also, come here to go to the bathroom and then buy some art. Because why not? Do a little fart and then get some art. Sorry, I had to. Okay, so I'm not going to show you the stalls in the bathrooms, but I mean, seriously, there's so much art. It's kind of crazy. So part of the reason that people come here to Buc-ee's is because you can get just about anything. You know, it's not just your place to get giant drinks at your typical gas station. You even have food, including meat that makes everything in the store smell like meat. It's kind of funny, actually. Anytime I get clothing here, it smells like brisket. Ooh, and we got some fudge. But look, you can come here and get straight up home decor for really any season. So Buc-ee's has fun for the whole family, mom, dad, brother, sister, grandma. Yeah. And Santa will know if you've been naughty or nice here. I mean, why go to Hobby Lobby when you can go to Buc-ee's? I'm just asking. So I didn't really understand. Actually, the first time I went to Buc-ee's was with Joe Tegmeyer. Shout out Joe. And he said it's really an experience. And so he didn't really tell me much about it, but I think I could pick up pretty quickly what's going on here. One of the other funny things is that, you know, they have just clothes that aren't Buc-ee's brand, but they have a heck of a lot of Buc-ee's branded stuff. And you know what? I actually have a lot of that stuff. I have a Buc-ee's bathing suit, and we have some Buc-ee's Halloween themed gear. So, like I said, it's Buc-ee's for the whole family. Oh my gosh, I cannot even. I actually think I might get one of those. 12 days of Buc-ee's socks. I mean, there are some very interesting gift ideas in here. Imagine if there was a store down at Starbase that had, you know, SpaceX themed stuff. It would do great. Something like this, but SpaceX themed. Oh, it would kill. I mean, you can even get toys for your kids. So, and don't worry, there's pretty good security here. It is a big location, that is for sure. You guys might like to know that it's clear that Buc-ee's approves of going to the moon. Okay, so like I mentioned, it is, you know, a convenience store, but it is way bigger than your normal convenience store. And I'm going to take you to the other end, because if you don't want any clothing and you don't want any home decor, maybe you just want to come here and get like a straight up grill. So they have that too. They have picnic stuff. They have cast iron charcoal sauces, barbecue ribs. You can get your coolers. You can get your, let's see what these are. You can get a fire fishing pole for the hot dogs, marshmallows on a fishing pole. That's kind of cool. Okay. Oh, that's kind of cute, actually. Wow. I mean, you guys, they really have everything. So if you're like struggling to get a gift for someone, you know, this is a great place to do it, I think. Well, it was the trip of a lifetime, and it should be time to go home now because I think my car is just about charged. But you know what? It's always a fun time at Buc-ee's. I did get some more information. Apparently the demo drive, it looks like it is self-serve, so I may have to do a video where I schedule one just because that's kind of crazy. I think part of the, reason people don't necessarily want to do test drives is they don't want that pressure to have to buy. So should be interesting. If you guys are interested in that, I'll schedule one. And I will do the damn thing, okay? Yeah, so here's Buc-ee's. Some people call it Buc-ees. It's not. It is Buc-ee's. And it is, it's clean, it's nice, and it's big. But everything is bigger in Texas. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I have a lot of stuff coming up this month, including the 0G flight. And, I think my legs are working fine. I'm excited for that. And I'm also excited for the Ascend Space Conference in Vegas. So let's see what our charge is at here. Boop. Let's see what we're at. Okay, we're at a nice 82%. Bye, Buc-ee's. Let me know if you guys actually schedule a demo drive yourself, because if you've never driven a Tesla, it is really, really a fun experience.